What's up everybody? In this video I will be showing you the Enigma pattern for the date of 20th September 2024. For that, this curious will come first, then small, then the sauce on the third one, kick on the fourth one, then the reason on the fifth one, and the dad on the sixth one, and then noise on the eighth one, then tower on 11th, fun on 12, and that's pretty much it. All you have to do is to go and validate it. So once you do it, you will see that the points will be added in your account, so you can claim the Enigma prize, and here you can see that it has been added into my account. So that's how you can earn 2.5 million in the Rocky Rabbit. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.